It's time. Hey friend, I hope you enjoyed that little cinematic, funny intro. I have been so stoked to get this camera. I ordered it within an hour of its release and I cannot wait to unbox it. It is the silver version, but before I unbox, I should tell you this is not something I typically do on this channel. I try and make the most helpful content I can, and I don't have time to do unboxing videos typically, and I don't usually order new things often enough to do unboxing videos, but this is a unique situation. And I also don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. So I can't just post something and ask for your feedback about what you want to know in a full review. So please leave a comment below because that's what this video is. I want to know what you need to know for a review. I want to make the most helpful real world review for you. And so tell me how you use the camera. Tell me what situations that I should put it through if I can, and what specific things that I should be looking for. Maybe you're new to Fuji and you just want to know some general information, or maybe you're coming from the X-T3 and you're looking for something really specific. I have on my list IBIS, flip screen, bigger battery record times, overheating, and a few other things. And some of them might get their own dedicated videos like IBIS. So if you're interested in something, please leave me a comment because I really want my review to be helpful for you. So do that now and then come back and finish watching this video because I'm gonna open this up. But yeah, I just wanted to say before I get going that this is not a typical thing for me to do. I just have to do it because I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet and I need to know how to make a review that works for you. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna chit chat while I do it. So I've got a few projects planned with this camera already. So keep an eye out for those because if you watch them, they might show you what you do. They might show you how you make videos and if you see it in your real world use situation. So keep an eye out for upcoming projects. Oh man. Okay, right away I can tell because I have big hands that the ergonomics are so much better. Just that little extra size for the new battery definitely improves the camera's like hand-holding comfort, which sounds so silly, but I shoot probably 95% of my videos handheld if I'm not on a tripod, and that's a big deal to me. The flip screen is, man, I have not owned a flip screen camera since the 70D, so that's like 2014 or 2015. Man, the stills and the movie dial, this is so exciting. I'm going to cut right now to some video of the X-T3 and the X-T4 body comparison and some differences. I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on this camera if you ordered it, and to show you some of the key differences physically. So that footage should be playing right now, and then I'll wrap up at the end of this video. Okay, just to wrap up, there are a few silly things I had noticed I just wanted to point out real quick if you didn't catch it. The function button doesn't have the letters FN on it anymore compared to the XT3, and I don't know if I just got an early model, but that's kind of a funny quirk. And then the AF, AEL, and the Q button, they just rotated them. So they just moved everything around counterclockwise once. And yeah, that's really about it. One other funny quirk is that's a positive thing, is that the battery with ridges now, you can always tell which direction it should go into the camera. Whereas before, when it was just a rectangle, sometimes when I was trying to load it really fast or load it in the dark, I would have to try it 2 or 3 times because you never know which way it's supposed to go in if you're not looking at it. So, silly things, but I also opened up the rest of it and you get a really beefy Fuji strap as well as a new cord. There is no dedicated battery charger, but I'll probably just wait until Wasabi or Pentona, I think is the name of it in Europe, comes out with their third-party dual charger and batteries. And so yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new, please subscribe. It really helps me out. Like this video, and the XT4 review should be out in the next month. But before that, I'll be releasing other projects, and I would love to answer your questions as I go. So yeah, follow me on Instagram and feel free to check out my work there because I might be posting some of my early shots with this camera there. And feel free to ask questions about how it's going so far and how the review is coming because I really want to make it helpful. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.